Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at some inspiration pictures and then we're going to hop on over to H&M and we're going to recreate these looks using items all from H&M. I hope you guys like this format because this is my second video like this, so leave a comment and let me know. Okay, this first look I saw and I thought it looked really nice. It can be a little church lady-ish if that's not your vibe, but you can also make it really stylish. So it's a simple look. It's just a denim dress, shoes, accessories, etc. that make it kind of amped up. So we're going to go to H&M and we're going to try to recreate this. She has a nice bag, shoes to match the bag, and like I said, a simple denim dress. So this first item here from H&M, you know H&M going to give you with the straight to the point names. Straight to the point names. So this is the denim shirt dress. It comes in a light wash and a dark wash. We're going to be looking at the dark wash today. This retails for $39.99. And I really like it. I like the cut of it. I like the fit of it. I like both colors, but for this look, we're going to look at the dark. I love the buttons down the front. Very cute. It has a raw hemline. We like that. That's very current, so it doesn't look like a denim dress from like the 90s. And what we're going to do is match up the bag and shoes to recreate this look. So the shirt dress itself, you're just going to ruche up the sleeves, button it down the front, bam, boom, that's done. The mules come in black. They are $69.99 and they are listed as just suede mules. And you know, everything's going to be linked below. So suede mules in black. And these are an online exclusive, so you can't get these in the store. Just as an FYI too, these also come in beige and like a light gray blue. So if you wanted to go with the light denim dress, you could put the beige shoes and beige bag with it, and that would be the same kind of look. But again, we're going to look at the black. Now, when it came to the bag, H&M does not have a nice large selection of bags online. They do in store. So I'm going to link to a black bag from Target, which was the last video that I did like this. I will link it up here. It's a bag from Target. It's under $30 and it pairs perfectly with this look. The only reason I'm doing this is because H&M don't have the bags, y'all. Like, I don't know what to do. They don't have the bags. They don't have the bags. I'm sorry. But as you can see, and you can see from the inspiration photo, dress, shoes, bag. Look one. Now the next look is what they call I think they call it a Canadian tuxedo or Canadian uniform something, but it's denim on denim. And that can get a little scary because it can get a little dated, but you have to just make sure you pick elements that will keep the look updated. And we're going to go for like an ankle cut denim jean and then a matching top. We're going to go with the accessories that you see, shoes, jewelry, sunglasses, etc. So let's get into this one. And y'all know H&M is good for some jeans. H&M and Zara is always good for some jeans. Always. I don't care what nobody says. You can always run in there and get a pair of jeans. And you're going to have a large selection. You're going to have color selection, different cuts, high rise, the whole nine. Okay, so this pair is very simplistic but very nice. And this is one of the things I want to point out when I was saying you can make it updated. This raw hem is really in right now. If you think about jeans that are old style mom jeans or jeans from the 2000s, 2010s, those jeans did not tend to have a raw hem and be cut this way. So this is something that you can look for to make sure you don't look like you're outdated, you know, or you just done pulled some old jeans out of the closet. So nice ankle cut jean with a raw hem. These are in the color dark blue. They come in two colorways. We're going to look at the dark one here. And these are, how much are these? $29.99, and y'all know that's the price point for H&M. Zara, they're gonna hit you for $50 to $60. H&M, you're gonna get you a nice little $30 pair of jeans. So $29.99. This is called the Oxford shirt. We're gonna look at the one that comes in the color blue. This is $24.99, and it also comes in white, but we're looking at the blue. And this says that it runs small. So it says that it runs small, but supposedly it's true to size. I would say size up, especially for this look, because we want a looser, baggier type of fit on top. Not oversized, but you don't want a shirt that's super tight or cut too thin up in here. And this one comes in sizes extra small to double XL. So you're going to have your size range as well. So now we got a top, we got the pants. Let's keep going. Work with me, stay with me. We're going to pull together an entire look, I promise. For accessories, I wanted to go simple, but I wanted to go gold. So they have this 3-pack bracelet set. real simple. It's nothing major. Y'all know H&M jewelry. It's costume jewelry. It's cheap. It's affordable. You can go in there and grab it. Not worry about it. If you need to grab something else 3 weeks later, 6 weeks later, just go grab another pack. This pack is $12.99, and it's two like chain link kind of like bracelets. One looks kind of braided, the other one looks more chain link, and then the third one is like a solid bangle. So just 3 gold accessories to just bring out some of that denim on denim that we got going on, so it's not too plain. And if you look at the inspiration picture, you'll see as well that there's sunglasses in this look. So I did want to go and choose a pair of sunglasses. Now H&M has some cute sunglasses. Honestly, they really do have cute sunglasses. I don't know what's going on with the bag section, but they have nice sunglasses. So here we have a black pair that's $12.99. Again, y'all know H&M, affordable. Run in, grab a pair of sunglasses. And these I like because they give a little bit of a cat eye and a little bit of a Ray-Ban together. So it's trendy, it's updated, it doesn't look old, it doesn't make you look too grandma-ish. Nice, simplistic pair of black sunglasses. Again, for the bags, I just don't know what H&M is going through, but for the shoes, we're going to look at those same black suede mules we looked at in the previous look. So the same pair of shoes, and I always emphasize this, it's important for you to be able to see how you can weave pieces in and out of your wardrobe and get a lot of wear out of them, especially at this kind of price point. It's going to be even better for you when you can get that much wear out of a pair of shoes. So those same black mules I think go well with this outfit. They're going to pull in with the black sunglasses, the nice gold bangles. They work well. If you wanted to add a simplistic gold necklace, you could do that too. Now the look, they have little elements of red in the bag. But I already told y'all H&M don't have no bag. So we're going to skip that and just stay with the denim and black palette. So that's our look. Very easy breezy, simple, casual. Okay. Next we have the shirt dress. This one is $29.99. Is it $29? Yes, $29.99. And y'all know H&M does tops well too, but this is an elongated white button down top. So it's a shirt dress, but just think of a white button down long. And this one, I really like this. I just think something this simple can be styled in so many ways. Like, do you have a million different options? But we're going to stick with the inspiration pick and try to recreate it. So we've got our top now for $30. And FYI, this comes in 3 other colors. It comes in blue, a fuchsia, and that Kelly green, which is really popular right now. It comes in those colors as well. And then as for sizes, let me see. They usually have a pretty good size range. For sizes, extra small to double XL. So nice size range as well. Now for the bottoms, these are called loose, straight, high waist, loose, straight, high jeans. These are $29.99. They have the raw hem as well. But what I like about these is the high waist, and I like the cut of them. They're not like flared at the bottom. They're not necessarily straight leg either. They have a really nice shape to them, as you can see on the model. I really do like that about these a lot, and these look like they're going to be super comfortable. So we have the denim on the bottom, we have the white shirt dress, so we're getting there. Keep in mind the inspiration pick, we're getting there. And these sunglasses are just called black sunglasses. These are $9.99, and these have more of the cat eye shape. Like the last pair had kind of like that combo cat eye with Ray-Ban. This is more of like a cat eye shape, but not extreme, but still a really simplistic, easy, nice pair of black sunglasses to throw on with this look. So we're trying to recreate what we see in the inspiration pick and do it more affordably and do it at H&M. For the shoes and bag, I would go to that same black bag from Target. I'm sorry, but that's all I could get because I already told y'all to struggle. And I still say those black mules would go with this outfit as well. So the black sunglasses, the black mules, the jeans, and the long shirt dress. I still think that's a very pretty, chic look. Put on you some cute gold hoop earrings. You are good to go. I still think you can recreate the look and the basic style elements. That's the thing to remember. Get the base style elements if you're trying to go from an inspiration picture or recreate a look or just elevate your style. Go for the base style elements and then just build off that. Now this one I like because H&M does suits well. The inspiration pick is obviously this beautiful crimson red set. We are not going to find that at H&M, okay? I have said this before, when you're going for more affordable, it's highly unlikely for you to find the exact dupe. And when you're talking about something this deep, rich, and beautiful red, you're not likely to find it for a more affordable price. You can, but it's going to be harder. So what I chose to do was, again, take the shape of this set, take the basic style element, and I just chose a different color that I knew I could find at H&M and recreate the look on a budget, just in a different color palette. Okay, so stay with me. So this is called dress pants. Girl, that's all they got. Ain't got no more dress pants. That's it. And these, they'll be linked below, because if you go to H&M and put in dress pants, you're gonna get 25 pages of dress pants. These will be linked below, these specific ones. But they're just a very simple pair of nice dress pants. You know, you're gonna have your typical kind of crease down the front. You're gonna have the pockets in the back. They may be faux pockets, I'm not sure. And then you're gonna have your pockets in the front. Traditional closure. Just a nice pair of dress pants. I do like that there's no belt hoops in this, because you want it to look streamlined. Even though the jacket will be on top, I do like the way a pant fits when it doesn't have the belt loops. So keep that one in mind too. Again, back to those base style elements. You want to recreate the shape. And so little things like this are important. These pants retail for, let's see what H&M got going on. $34.99, so $35. And then the top is $59.99, so $60. This is called a tie belt jacket, and I think it is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. And it comes in 2 different colors. We're going to go with the color that matches the pants we just looked at, which is this cream color. This is so pretty to me, y'all. This is good. Comes in beige, and then they call this cream. But again, we want to keep in mind the shape. So if we look at our inspiration picture, you see that the shoulders are kind of rigid. There's a little tie waist, which pinches you in a little, but it's nothing extreme. The jacket comes down, it's a little bit longer than a traditional jacket. And then the pants have a wide leg dress pant type of fit to them. So those are the things you want to replicate. So this jacket does that perfectly. It's got the tie waist, it's got nice structured shoulders, and it's a little bit longer. Not a lot, but a little bit longer, so it's still going to give you that silhouette. And even though this has pockets on this jacket, they don't bulge out. You see how they're sewn on? They're going to still give you the nice, sleek, slim silhouette that you want. And because those pants are wide leg, you're going to get that same shape. Really, really nice. And our model has on sunglasses, so we're going to look at another pair of sunglasses. These sunglasses come in the color beige. That's it. You know, that's H&M. That's what you get in beige. And these are $9.99. So $10 for these sunglasses. I think they look really chic and nice. I didn't want to go for black like the model because we had to choose a different color palette. I think these glasses set this look off better. They just, to me, look better. And then we're going to add those mules we looked at in black, but we're going to look at the beige pair because I think all of that kind of monochromatic together pulls together well, looks really sleek, looks really nice, does not look like you are bargain basement shopping, and you've created a very high-end, very fashionable look at H&M. So it's doable is my point. It's doable. You can do it. Remember that everything's going to be linked below as well. And we're going to look at the inspiration pics, take the base style elements, and then we're going to recreate it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Remember, everything will be linked in the description box. Remember to live well and look good doing it. And until next time, y'all, bye.